All right, and welcome back to the channel. On this video, we'll be giving away these products from the good people at Super Clean. The good people at Super Clean will send these products over directly to the winner, so stay tuned. We're gonna use a computer-generated app. We're gonna enter the 10 names into the app, and we're gonna click choose the winner, and the winner will be picked randomly through the computer-generated app. So stay tuned. We're about to go over to the app, and we're gonna show you guys exactly who wins these products. Let's get it. These are the 10 names that are entered to win the Super Clean giveaway. We're about to go ahead and pick the names. We have Beloved King, Bo Pitbull, Broken Spoke, Don't Ride Dirty, Greatest Ever, Isaiah's Auto Detailing, Original Shine Mobile Detailing, Tina Ladybug, Urban Legend RC, and USR's Detailing. We're about to hit choose. And the lucky winner is Bo Pitbull. So Bo Pitbull, send me a message via Instagram or email. I'm gonna leave my email at the bottom of the description. Hit me up and we'll send these products right out to you. Thanks for viewing, and we'll see you on the next. And if you didn't win this contest, don't be discouraged. We will have another giveaway here in the future, so stay tuned to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.